In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add labels in Pipedrive. Labels are a simple but powerful way to visually organize your contacts, organizations, and deals so you can spot priorities at a glance and filter your pipeline more effectively. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find labels, how to apply them, and how to create new ones when you need something more tailored to your workflow. First, head to the sidebar and open either Contacts or Deals. In Contacts, you can work with people and organizations. In Deals, you'll be labeling individual opportunities. Pick the area that matches what you want to organize. Then click into a specific contact, organization, or deal to open its detail view. Once you're on the items page, look near the top for the label field. It's usually positioned close to the name or summary area, making it quick to access without scrolling. If your layout looks a little different, don't worry. Pipedrive's interface can vary slightly, but the label field consistently lives near the upper section of the detail view. Click the label field to open the drop-down. You'll see a list of existing labels that your team has already set up. Choose the one that best fits. As soon as you select it, the label is applied, and you'll notice a color tag appear on that contact or deal. This makes it easy to recognize status, priority, or category anywhere you see that item, including in lists and pipelines. If none of the existing options are quite right, you can create a new label. Click the option to add a new label, give it a clear, memorable name, and pick a color that stands out without clashing with your current palette. Save your changes, and the new label will be available immediately to apply to this item and any others going forward. If you don't see the option to add a new label, you might need the right permissions. Check with your workspace admin. After saving, confirm the label appears on the item. You can click the same drop-down anytime to change or remove the label later, and the update will reflect everywhere that record appears. For best results, keep your label names consistent and purposeful. Use colors to signal meaning, not just variety, and avoid creating too many overlapping labels. That way, filtering by label becomes a powerful way to slice your data and focus on what matters most. That's all it takes to add labels in Pipedrive. If you found this helpful, give it a try on a few records to build a clean, consistent system. Thanks for watching.